All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and well, today we're going to look at this Gearwrench rolling cart. Now, in case you don't know, this is Eric's. I think it's a little more echoey over here than in my bay for some reason, but sorry. Eric picked this up off of Amazon. I will try to link it in the comments, but it is a Gearwrench rolling cart. Now, one thing I really do like about it, the four casters. A lot of the rolling carts out there are a lot less stable than this. I've seen Eric loaded down with it, and it really does really well for what it is. Now, if you don't know, that's Eric's roll cart. Haze it. He's had it for a long time. He loves it, but he decided he needed to step up his game for efficiency, so he bought this. Now, you'll notice he's got grip mats. The boss bought those for Christmas for us last year, and well, he uses them a bunch. I use my one in my toolbox to hold my keys and my lighter and cigar cutters, but he actually uses them to fix cars. Now, one of the things that's nice about this, obviously you've got bumpers here, so if you accidentally hit a car, it shouldn't do much damage, you know, other than unless you really let it roll and it dents it, but it shouldn't scratch it. You've got divided partitions to, well, store sockets, parts, whatever you're going to use it for. Screwdriver holder and pry bar holder. You got a nice handle to move it around. It was a little finicky putting together for Eric, but not too bad. But it's a great way to add a work surface right up against a car you're working on. Honestly, I think it has helped Eric's workflow. I think he's working a little more efficiently. Not that he was inefficient before, but this has helped him step up his game a little bit. So definitely something that comes in handy if you need access to a lot of stuff right up against the car. Could come in really handy. You know, you could roll this right up next to a fender, have all your stuff right there. Sturdy. It is obviously height adjustable down here. I'm not going to mess with it because I don't want to mess up it where he's got it set, because he might have it set perfectly for him. But it raises, it lowers. Honestly, for what it costs, it's really pretty dang stable. I'm impressed. Gearwrench has definitely been stepping up their game on this kind of stuff. Again, if you're looking for something like this, I will try to link it in the a pinned comment. FYI, Eric bought this. Gearwrench didn't send it to me. He paid for it. He cleaned it off so I could do a review of it, so I did a review of it. Thanks, Eric. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.